scaring him. Gizmo, get her. Get her, Gizmo. Get her. Beat her up, Gizmo. Hi.
That's the face you're going with? Really?
No.
Oh, they're kissing. They're kissing each other. I'll come here. Hi.
No. Oh! I'm being sat on. I'm being sat on.
Your hands are cold and they smell like ramen.
Can I go lay in the snow?
Can you?
Yeah.
Sure.
You think it's too cold out?
A little bit. Hi, Cassie. I made a handprint and I made a heart. It was cold.
Oh, fuck, it's cold. And I want to lay in the shit.
Cassie is sexy. That's a lie. There's no lies. I found this underneath my deck. Well, Cassie did actually. It's freaking solid ice. Well, not so solid, I guess. Icicle! Not solid. Holy crap. I'm so afraid to walk on it. This is like the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life.
Can I eat this ice?
Yeah, you can eat the ice. That is all ice right here, and that's all ice over there, and that's all ice, and that's all ice, and then that's Cassie. So this, and that's my deck, and that is really, really tall. And then all over here is all like, that's like, what are you doing? You're gonna make my deck like collapse. Oh my god, it's freaking scary. It's like frozen snow.
Can I eat it?
No, you can't. Yeah, you can fit this bunny.
Oh god, it's really
Hold
cold.
it though. Yeah,
Wait,
it's really cold. It's like a sword. You want to light this on fire?
Yes. Oh, it's...
Ooh, fire.
We're really losers. Like, no. Wait, don't.
Okay. Just let it burn. Let it burn. See, I was right. Yeah. Fire.
It looks cool when you put the snow on it. The snow starts smoking and turns black.
I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome.
Now, walk into the club like, what up? I got a big cock. I'm just pumped. I bought some shit from a thrift